Hey there, Android users. If you're an Android user managing Google Play Store apps, Gemini 2.0 can make your life so much easier. Let me show you how to use it to organize and streamline your experience. Let's dive in. First of all, download the app. Right? Make sure that you downloaded the app, Gemini. Right? Look it up and make sure that you download it or update it to the latest version if you did. And make sure that you log in with your credentials. Right, as you can see right here, I've logged in using my Google account, so I'm gonna be able to see all of my current accounts. Right, next, what you're gonna do, you can save your Google account for quick access. We already said that because we are logged in, and you can create categories, right, for subscriptions currently, or yeah, productivity, apps, or games. All right, and this is an example, of course. You're looking to organize your current subscription right here, as you can see, productivity apps, Office Suite, and note-taking organization, and like Evernote and all that stuff. And you can see for games, Xbox, Game Pass, and much more, right? And as you can see right here, the cost per month in the year, the renewal date, features used, are you getting the full value, right? So this is how you can manage, and you can also enable the security and access. Make sure that you click your account at the top right, click manage your account, and then you're gonna see right here at the top, go ahead and click security, swipe left, and you're gonna see right here how to sign, how you sign into Google. Click the two-step verification, right? And then you're gonna enter, of course, your own password, right? And afterwards, go and add your favorite two-step verification, passkey or facial recognition for smoother login in, or Google prompt, or authenticator, or using phone number. So do that on your own time, right? And you can use Gemini to generate passwords. So go ahead and type generate powerful password. Password. And as you can see right here, they will give you right here an example, right? Right here, a symbol. Example. Give me example. Give me a list of examples. Right? I can provide right here, as you can see, original phrase or password example right here. You got it. First letters, number, and symbols, and you can use it. And as you can see right here, you're gonna see many examples to add a password, so you can secure your Google Play Store account, right? In Gemini. So with Gemini 2.0, managing Google Play Store apps in Android is simple and secure. Give it a try and let me know how it works for you in the comments. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips. See ya next time.